Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XTRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. Did it on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. First thing I'm going to do, though, is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines up here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere, I'm just going to try to keep this as clean as possible. Now, the one update I'm going to do is I'm going to modify the chart here a little bit, but I will note that notice the direction that I'm modifying it in. So I am still going to call 0012 a level of support, but now that we have more data, I'm actually going to call that level of support right here at 0012. So yes, the price is still up above the green line, but keep in mind I did have to modify it down. And the reason I'm doing that is after more data, it makes quite a bit of sense that this is acting as support. You can see that's right where the price bounced from there. And then you fast forward to today, and I mean, a whole bunch of times the bears try to press down through that level. And again, right there it held, and then a whole bunch of times today it held. So it's very logical to say, all right, 0012, now that we have more data, seems to really be where the buyers are hanging out at. Now, if the price cannot hold above 0012 anymore, at that point, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything, but that would be a pretty big step in the direction of the bears, because like I said, as it stands right now, 0012 is doing a great job of absorbing the seller's shares and holding strong as support, and the price is pulled back enough. I mean, prices, as nice as it would be, can't go up every single day. So pullbacks are fine, and that's what's been going on, just a pullback here. But pullbacks do reach the point where it's like, okay, yeah, the price is pulled back enough. It's time to start to show some signs of strength, and the chart has really reached that point. It's pulled back enough. 0012, has been doing a good job of holding, and you want to see it continue to hold as support. And the first sign that of the bulls returning is going to be now in regards to the purple line right here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. This had been a level of support going into today, but because the price is closed below it, that's just a foundational rule in charting. Supports tend to act as resistance. So, like I said, the first sign that the bulls are starting to make an appearance again is first, obviously, just holding above 0012, but then second, the price getting back up above that purple line. So, yeah, the price is pulled back enough, and you want a healthy consolidation, and that's still possible as long as the price stays above 0012. So it's time for the bulls to start to make an appearance again. Still 3 days left this week, so we'll see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.